So I'm going to take off the 2 radiator support bolts. There's one. So it's got a 15 on top, and then it's got a large one. And there's rubbers in there I'm going to replace as well. And around the other side. Same here. I've disconnected some of the wires as well, the lighting. Top and bottom radiator hose. So there's 2 plates there. I've only got one here. I don't know where the other one is. So the rubber underneath and a rubber on top. So it's just sitting there now. I've got the hoses at the bottom. I just got the transmission oil comes back through the radiator to get cooled. It's got those lines there. Going to undo the bracket for the power steering pump. Undo 3 bolts. That way the power steering can stay with the chassis. Well, that'll put anti-seize on when I rebuilt I had the pump rebuilt. So it come out nice. Quite some time ago I did that. I must not put any on that one. Oh, the bottom one. That's better. These ratchets are really good. It's too stuff on it. I have to get a bit of leverage from here.
them up sideways.
All right.
This will just pop out. But yeah, get the wheels so they it's just a wheel. When you have the wheels got that, you need to get the other wheel at the back there, sort of half spinning. That's it.
Well. I think they're around
300.
Yeah.
Gearbox, the motor,
Yeah.
350 or something, and then maybe the gearbox.
maybe 100.
Yeah, so I'll put it on the 500 and it's great. Just like that there, right out as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the back, I'll probably need more attention on the back anyway.
Yeah.
On the grounds, I need to get the back to the gearbox. I don't need the front coming up, I need the sort of coming up, almost similarity.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe a little bit more of the front and the back, but yeah. But whether I'm gonna, yeah, maybe improvise on the side up there.
I'll hook the back in first. Keep it like that down, we might just. Those ones on. If it's going to move, we've got it's slow motion. Yeah, we can control it. Have you got a U-bolt for that?
I don't have all I was thinking, maybe if we just take that one back out.
Yeah.
And I might just slide them through.
Oh, yeah.
I think we might have something over to
You need 4 arms.
yeah, it'd be a pain in the ass, you have to do it on your own.
Well, most of them, that's like no one
We do, most times I do it on my own.
Yeah. And a lot of videos I've done to explain to other guys that have never done panel work, engine work, and there's a few times I give guys like you, a rap, mechanics, positions you get into and that people just don't see, understand. This one's free, then.
Yep. That's free. Okay. Hey, so what the problem is, I will have to get you to the front up. Because at the moment, we need to clear the sump off the thing, so virtually the motor and gearbox will have to come on an angle.
Yeah.
So we can't really adjust that back one. So somehow we need to adjust,
So we're gonna lower it.
lower it back down, and we need to tighten this one up. So that we can, does that make sense? So the
Yeah.
back one's fine, I don't think we'll have a problem with the back. So I just gotta work out how we can tighten that strap. Over the front.
Will it jack that in further?
Yeah, yep.
So if we can get it down about to there.
Yeah, so
Actually, I'll take the air cleaner off, that'll give us even more.
that's right, we do that, that's right, I got that. Yeah, what about the 12.5? So
If we take it back forward
yeah,
and put it through itself, and then the tail, you might be able to half the air, half the
well, we double up the strength of it, we double it right.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Well, I do have a chain, so the worst scenario I can use the chain as well.
I like that. Think about that, that you take along through the unit, so I'll put the shorter end, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So you would do a half, that's it. So all I need is yours to come over the top.
Yeah. And then we use the...
So we can roll this down even more
Yeah.
before we get.
Lost the footage of the best part of the engine coming out, so we had to go underneath and remove the support for the gearbox. You'll see on the red arrows. So we had to remove that, so it allowed the actual engine to tilt the back of it out down below. In the next video, the engine gearbox is out in the trailer, so I'll be chatting about that. Thanks for tuning in, guys.